Hey, what's up guys? Got a new video, so just basically a Q&A innit? So the first question is from Emily saying, would you rather stick with normal hours of school time, like 8:25 to 2:50 p.m, or would you rather start school at 10:25 and finish at 4:50? That's a pretty hard question, to be honest. Probably rather start at 8:25 because then in 10:25 I'll wake up later than that on a weekend, so it wouldn't even be like a weekend, it would just be like later death. So I'd probably rather keep it the same and 8:25 to 2:50, then come home and sleep. Yeah. And then I had a question from Matty saying, the biggest slag I know. Well, this one's easy. There's this person called, I'm not sure about the first name, so I'll just call her Miss for now. Miss Valley. I know her second name Valley. And she is a slag, and she has some pang chicken legs. But, yeah, sorted. So, next question is from Cameron Cliff, saying KFC on McDoys. So, because, fuck yeah. And I'm not, doesn't matter. Fuck yeah. And I eat 20 million Big Macs as a crumb. I'm gonna say McDonald's. Because it's cheap. I can eat 20 million thousand Big Macs. And only gain £600. But yeah, pretty good. And then my next question is from Aiden Rivers. How pang is your sister? Well, considering not many people fuck their sister, sort of rate her 0. You fucking weirdo. Yeah, that's answered. Then I get a question off. Nope, that's got rejected. Going off. Beth, are you gay? Where's the bleach? Only kidding, I have too many fans for that. 7,624 subs in it. But next, I don't have any more questions. Rejected. Yeah, you know. Also, just check up, you know, got a bit of a trim going. Nice and peg on the side. Fresh on the top, got a little snip on there off the top in it. Peng. But add my Snapchat, Finn Atherton. I'll tell you what, just screenshot this. No, I'm not supposed to press that. There you go. Finn Atherton. And then my Instagram is Finn, the same one as that, but with an underscore after it. So follow my social medias, mate! But, you know, I'm gonna go big today. 60 billion likes! And I'll do something crazy. Coco loco. Crazy fun. But that's for another video. Like down there, subscribe up there or there. Put in the comments down below what I should do for my next video, you know. But thanks for watching. See you later, mate.